Pink salt trick. Never trust pink salt just because it looks natural. Because the way most people use it, it's actually making their bloating worse, wrecking their gut, and leaving their skin dull and inflamed. But if you use this one pink salt trick, it can help you poop better, clear up your skin, and feel way less bloated in just days. Here's how it works. Look, I'm not saying pink salt is magic, but the truth is, it can be a game changer if you know how to use it the right way. This video isn't about just sprinkling it on food. We're talking about a very specific pink salt trick that's been used in holistic health circles for years, and no one's talking about it. Why most people use pink salt the wrong way. Pink Himalayan salt is everywhere now. On your kitchen shelf, in bath bombs, heck, even in skincare. People assume it's automatically healthier than regular salt just because it's pink and natural. But here's the reality. Just switching from table salt to pink salt isn't going to fix your gut, your skin, or your digestion. Why? Because most people are just replacing salt, not activating its healing properties. Yep, there's a trick to unlocking what pink salt can really do. Without it, it's just overpriced sodium. So if you're serious about improving your gut, clearing your skin, and getting that flat, bloat-free belly, hit the like button, because I'm breaking this all down step by step. And stick around to the end, I'll show you exactly how to make this pink salt remedy at home for pennies. What makes pink salt so special? Pink salt benefits versus table salt. Let's start with the basics. Pink Himalayan salt comes from ancient seabeds deep in the Himalayan mountains. Because it's minimally processed, it contains over 80 trace minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals help support electrolyte balance, proper hydration, muscle function, and yes, better digestion and skin clarity. Now contrast that with table salt, which is heavily refined, often bleached and stripped of minerals. Plus, it usually has additives like anti-caking agents and sometimes even sugar. So yes, pink salt is better in theory, but it still won't do anything for your skin or digestion unless you use it properly. The gut-skin connection, why you feel bloated and breaking out. Here's something most people don't know. Your skin health starts in your gut. Think about it. If your digestion is slow, if your gut is inflamed, if you're not pooping regularly, that stuff builds up. Your body can't eliminate toxins properly. So guess what? It pushes it out through your skin. Result? Acne, dullness, redness, irritation, and bloating that just won't go away. This is where pink salt comes in, not as seasoning, but as a gut cleanser. The pink salt trick that changes everything. Pink salt soul water. All right, here it is. The secret is something called soul water, spelled S-O-L-E, like the sun. It's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and holistic practices. And all it is water saturated with pink Himalayan salt. But don't confuse this with salty drinking water. Soul water is mineral rich, not sodium rich. That's what makes it so powerful. How to make pink salt soul water, step by step. Important, always use pure, coarse grain Himalayan pink salt, not the cheap blends with added iodine or anti-caking agents. Look for salt that's stone ground and food grade. What you need: a glass jar, not plastic, 1/4 cup of coarse pink Himalayan salt, 2 cups of filtered water, a wooden or plastic spoon, avoid metal. Steps: 1. Add the salt to the jar. 2. Pour the water over it. 3. Stir with a non-metal spoon. 4. Let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. 5. After that, check if there's still salt at the bottom, your water is fully saturated. How to use it. Each morning, on an empty stomach, take 1 teaspoon of salt water and mix it into a glass of room temperature water. Drink it slowly. That's it. Simple but incredibly effective. What happens when you drink this daily? Let's break down what happens over the next few days. Day 1 to 2. You may notice better bowel movements. The magnesium and potassium in the salt stimulate your intestines gently, no harsh laxatives. Day 3 to 5. You might start feeling less bloated, your stomach feels flatter. That's because this helps flush out excess water retention and rebalances electrolytes. Week 1 plus. You may start to see clearer skin. Why? Because your body's detox system is finally working efficiently. You're not holding on to toxins. Plus, the minerals in pink salt support your skin barrier from the inside out. The science behind it. Let's talk real science for a second. According to studies on mineral deficiency, a lack of magnesium and potassium, both found in pink salt, can lead to sluggish digestion, water retention, and even chronic inflammation. Another study from 2017 found that electrolyte imbalance can directly affect gut motility, meaning if your electrolytes are off, you poop slower. As Dr. Mark Hyman, a functional medicine expert, puts it, mineral depletion is one of the root causes of chronic inflammation and poor gut health. So by reintroducing trace minerals with salt water, you're giving your body what it needs to function naturally. It's not about flushing your system. It's about supporting it so it works better on its own. Real-life examples. Take Sarah, 34, mum of 2, always bloated, occasional adult acne, couldn't figure it out. She swapped her morning coffee for a glass of pink salt water. No fancy diets, no gut supplements, just this one change. Within a week, she was going to the bathroom regularly. Her skin breakouts reduced. The constant bloated feeling disappeared. She didn't change anything else. Now take Jason, a 42-year-old graphic designer who was always bloated after lunch. He started using the salt water trick every morning before work. 2 weeks later, he said it was the first time in years he didn't feel heavy and gassy after meals. And he noticed something else. He wasn't reaching for caffeine in the afternoon anymore. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, using table salt. It won't work. Mistake number 2, drinking it like regular salt water. It's not the same. Mistake number 3, storing it in plastic. Plastic can leach into the water. Use glass. Mistake number 4, drinking too much. More is not better. Just 1 teaspoon of the saturated solution mixed into water is enough. The key benefits of the pink salt trick. Here's what people report after using the salt water trick for 2 to 4 weeks. Clearer, brighter skin. More regular poops without laxatives. Reduced belly bloat. Increased energy in the morning. Improved hydration thanks to mineral absorption. Less sugar cravings because mineral imbalance can trigger cravings. Why this simple trick works better than fancy products? Here's the kicker. People are spending hundreds of dollars on gut cleansers, acne treatments, and detox teas. But they're ignoring one of the most basic, affordable, and natural solutions that's been around forever. This pink salt trick doesn't cost much. You're not taking pills, you're not doing extreme diets. You're just giving your body the minerals it's missing. We keep throwing complex solutions at simple problems, when the body just needs the right tools to heal itself. Like I always say, your body isn't broken, it's just missing what it needs to function right. That's the power of going back to basics. So here's what we covered today. Why most people use pink salt wrong. The gut-skin connection and how bloating is a sign your body's off balance. How to make and use pink salt water. The key benefits you can expect within days. What mistakes to avoid. And why this simple trick works better than most supplements. This isn't about trends or gimmicks, it's about real, natural health support. If you learned something new today, or you're planning to try this pink salt trick yourself, hit that like button, subscribe for more holistic wellness tips, and drop a comment if you've ever struggled with bloating or skin issues. And remember, real health doesn't come in a pill. Sometimes it's already in your kitchen. See you next time.